Wash, O God, our sons and daughters, where your cleansing waters flow. Number them among your people, blessed as Christ blessed long ago. Weave them garments bright and sparkling, comfort them with love and light. Fill, anoint them, send your Spirit, holy dove and heart's delight. We who bring them long for nurture, by your milk may we be fed. Let us join your feast partaking, cup of blessing, living bread. God, renew us, guide our footsteps, free from sin and all its snares. One with Christ in living, dying, by your Spirit, children, heirs. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, how deep your holy wisdom, unimagined all your ways. To your name be glory, honor, with our lives we worship, praise. We, your people, stand before you, water washed and spirit born. By your grace our lives we offer. Recreate us, God, transform.